jump right into it. You guys just saw me take out the alternator. She's right here. Now, keep in mind, there's nothing wrong with this alternator. Okay, my car works perfectly fine with it. I just had the bright idea to take it out, and I'm gonna take it apart. I guess it's these 3 bolts and this sensor. I think. I've never really taken an alternator apart. I've replaced a ton of them, but never taken them apart to paint them. Yeah. So I hope it goes well. If not, I guess I just ran a perfectly good alternator, you know? But I'm curious to see what happens. I guess I'll just jump right into it and show you the process of how I think it should be taken apart. I didn't really do any research on this. I'm kind of just freeballing it and doing it. So yeah. I got all those bolts out. This little thing is a cap. I don't know if I'm supposed to take that off. So, yeah, I think you are. Yeah, all right. Well, whew. I hope I don't break this thing. What the hell? Okay. Shit. I don't know how you take this thing apart. Well, got those off. Yeah. I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. Motor craft. It's gonna craft your ass a motor. I don't know what the hell. Alright, so bolts are out, sensors out. Looks pretty freaking disgusting in there. Yeah, we're gonna end up cleaning that. I'm gonna mess with this for a minute and see what I can find out. Had to take that off. Okay, here, hold this. This is gonna happen. This is gonna happen right now. Come on, you son of a bitch. Here it is. Ooh, it's like 2 pieces. Fucking Shrek ogre hands over here. I need some. Oh! Oh! Dude, that thing is so dirty. What the hell is this? It's nicer. Smell burnt. How do you take the rest of it off though? Oh shit. Be careful. Alright. How do you take it off? Maybe this piece doesn't come off. No, it comes off. Press it off. Shake it. Look at that. Jesus. It's like a... I don't even know. How do you take this off? This is frustrating. So, I got to thinking. I'm gonna have to clean all these pieces, right? To go to the alternator. And possibly even this little piece. My miniature flux capacitor, right? Well, you can't use brake cleaner. I don't know. I'm guessing you can't use brake cleaner because it's just gonna eat the hell out of it. So I have this. It says it's electronic cleaner, right? So I guess I'm gonna just kind of spray it all, clean it up, and see what happens. I'm hoping I don't damage anything, because I still have to put it back together and put it back on the car after it's painted. Yeah, high hopes. Wish me luck. I guess let's get to cleaning these parts. Paint dry overnight. I just put everything back together. Unfortunately, I did break this sensor on the back of the alternator. I don't know if you can see that. So I accidentally broke this, but I had a spare alternator in the shed, so I took this part off of it and put it on mine. And let me show you guys.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No.
I think it's crazy how just a little bit of cleaning and paint cleaned it up that well. I wasn't expecting it to look this good. I think it's kind of bad that I wasn't expecting it to look this good, because I had a whole different image in my head. First I was thinking red, and then I was like, you know what? I have enough red. Let me do something a little bit different. And this is pretty much what I came up with. I love it. I'm hoping that this sensor doesn't be the downfall of that alternator, but I can always buy a new sensor, and hopefully I put it back together the right way. But let me know what you guys think and how it came out. I'm really curious on what you guys think I could have done different, or what color I should have done, or what I should paint next, because I have an entire engine bay that I'd like to clean up, change. I mean, another thing I want to change, since I mentioned change, is I want to get rid of these coil packs and do those coil on plug conversion. And I'm kind of looking up to see if I can make one, or if you could just buy like a kit. Not 100% sure. So if you guys even know that, let me know about that, or how to make it, or, you know, just anything to do with the coil on plug conversion. But overall, I mean, that alternator looks great. I love it. I still need to, well, start the car to see if it works. So yeah, I guess I should go do that right now, huh? Not only does it look good, but it works. Check this out. I don't know if you can see through the windshield, but 14.6. She's charging, she's working, she looks great. Let me know what you guys think I should do next.